Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Aldith from Pokemon. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw her hat. So I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there. And from the side on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line outwards and up. Turn it back inwards at this upper point. Semicircular line across all the way to the right side of the hat. Turn it downwards on the right side right there. Semicircular turn at that corner and diagonal curve line back inwards. On the right side of the head right here, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, slightly out. Turn it back inwards at this lower point. Semicircular turn across to the left and turn it diagonally upwards. Sharp turn back to the right at that corner, and I'm gonna go back to the left side and draw a piece of hair below the hat with a curved diagonal line to the left and downwards. Sharp turn back up towards the hat on the left, and at the left side right there, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line outwards. Semicircular turn inwards at this lower point, and below that piece of hair I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards and back out at this lower point, turn it back inwards again with a diagonal curved line and a similar diagonal curved line on the right side of the face right there. Below that, I'm going to draw across a curved line for the collar of her neck, a line down on both sides of that curved line, and a line up at that corner. Now across her face, I'm going to draw her mask with a diagonal curved line from the left side of her face here, curved line across at the middle point, and turn it back down on the right side. Now on the right side, I'm going to draw another piece of hair with a diagonal curved line below the head here, right there. Sharp turn back up diagonally towards the head, and below that I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. Sharp turn back up on the right side, semicircular turn at the top of the ear right there, and turn it back down and curved line towards that hair. And for the left ear, I'm going to draw a curved line at the side on the left, turn it downwards right there. And I'm going to draw a similar shape of the hair with a curved line out on the left here, turn it diagonally up, sharp turn diagonally back down, and semicircular turn towards her face right there. Now for her eye, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line from off center of her face upwards to the outer corner of her eye, sharp turn back down at the outer corner, and I'm gonna slightly thicken the outer corner of the eye right there. And for the lower line of her eye, I'm gonna draw across a curved line, turn it upwards on the right side right there, and inside of the eye I'm going to draw an oval shape at the left corner right there, a small circle at the top left corner inside of that, and a black oval shape in the middle point. Above the eye, I'm going to draw across a diagonal curved line for her eyebrow and a short line at this corner. I'm going to draw a similar shape for her left eye right here. And curved line downwards in the middle of the eye for her nose bridge, and a curved line diagonally at the tip of the nose right there. Inside of her ear, I'm gonna trace this upper point and at the side, and a curved line downwards below that. At the front of her hat, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line across and another one above that. And on both ending points, I'm gonna draw a circular shape across right there. And I'm gonna copy the same shape again behind that in the opposite direction, crisscrossing like that. Now moving on to her outfit, I'm gonna draw across a diagonal curved line below the collar, turn it diagonally out at this left corner, turn it downwards, and for the right side, a curved line up at that corner, semicircle turn at the top point and slightly downwards. Trace the same outline again below that, and I'm gonna turn it outwards at this outer corner of the shoulder, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn diagonally inwards and down, and a curved line diagonally at that corner. For her finger, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line here, turn it sideways, semicircle turn at the tip, turn it back in, diagonal line down, a line sideways for the other finger, semicircle turn downwards, back in, and I'm gonna copy the same shape for the other finger right there. Below that finger, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line, turn it outwards and down, diagonal turn to the left and downwards, semicircle turn at the elbow, and a curved line across at this corner. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways to the left, turn it diagonally upwards, and turn it sideways, and a curved line across downwards at that corner, and a curved line across. Now at this upper point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line across to the left, turn it sideways to the left, and turn it diagonally downwards. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, turn it sideways and diagonally downwards, semicircle turn downwards, turn it to the right with a curved line and upwards towards the arms. For the side of the arm on the left, I'm gonna take this point above her glove and draw a diagonal curved line upwards to the right, semicircle turn at the shoulder inwards. Now for the left hand, I'm gonna continue this line downwards all the way to the arms. And this line, I'm gonna continue downwards, and this one as well. On her collar, I'm gonna draw a line down at the front point right there, continue that line diagonally downwards, turn it semicircle turn downwards. Behind her arms on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, turn it to the left with a curved line, continue that curved line to the left beyond the arm and turn it upwards. Slightly above that, I'm going to draw across a curved line. Now below her vest, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards on both the left and right, turn it outwards with a curved line, and for her belt, I'm gonna draw across a diagonal curved line from the left point here, slightly up on the right point, turn it downwards on both sides with a line down, and another diagonal curved line across at this lower point. In the middle point, I'm going to draw two lines downwards, and on the right side, I'm going to draw a circular shape and a line across in the middle point. Below the belt, I'm going to continue the line of her outfit with a curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards towards her knee point, and across a curved line at that point, a line down on both sides, and a curved line across at this lower point. For the inner line of her leg, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards and a curved line at that corner. Now I'm going to continue the line of her legs with a curved line downwards, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the front point right there. Below the ankle point, I'm gonna flare it slightly out and turn it downwards. For the front part, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn, diagonal line to the front tip of the shoe, semicircle turn at the front tip downwards, and curved line across from the front all the way to the heels right there. A similar line slightly above that, and at the front there I'm gonna turn it with a curved line across. And I'm gonna copy the same shape for the left side of the legs as well. Now for the patterns on her vest, I'm gonna draw a line across on the right side right there, all the way to the side of her finger, a triangle shape upwards at this corner, a triangular shape to the side on the left, a line down below that, and another one on the right side right there, sideways at this top point, and semicircle turn downwards at the side. I'm gonna trace the same line at this upper point right there, and inside of this I'm gonna draw some lines across. On the left side we're gonna draw a line sideways, diagonal turn inwards to the right, and I'm gonna do the same thing at this inner corner right here. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.